Bill and Ben are twin tank engines who work at the China clay quarries near Brendam Docks. They both have a short stumpy boiler and funnel and a small squat car and small wheels. Their trucks are filled with China clay that is needed for pottery, paper, paint and many other things. The twins are kept busy pulling trucks for engines on the main line, or for ships in the harbour. One morning, they arranged some trucks in the docks and went away for more. They returned to find them all gone. The twins were most surprised. Their drivers examined a patch of oil on the rails. "That's a diesel," they said. "It's a whattle?" asked Bill. "A diseasel, I think," replied Ben. "There's a notice about them in our shed. Coughs and sneezles spread diseasels. You had a cough in your smoke box yesterday. Driver cleaned it out, didn't he?" "Yes, but the dust made him sneezle. So it's your fault the diseasel came." "It isn't, it is." "Stop arguing, you two," laughed their drivers. "Let's go and rescue our trucks." Bill and Ben were horrified. "But the diseasel will magic us away like the trucks." "He won't magic us. We'll more likely magic him. Listen, he doesn't know you're twins, so we'll take away your names and numbers, and this is what we'll do." The twins laughed. Then they set off on their journey to find the diesel. Creeping into the yard, they found the diesel on a siding with the missing trucks. Ben hid behind, and Bill went boldly alongside. Diesel looked up. "Do you mind?" "Yes," said Bill. "I'd like my trucks, please." "These are mine," said the diesel. "Go away." Bill pretended to be frightened. "You're a big bully," he whimpered. "You'll be sorry." He ran back and hid behind the trucks. Ben now came alongside. "Truck stealer!" hissed Ben, and he ran away too. Bill took his place. "Smell your diseasel! Truck stealer! Diseasel! Give us back our trucks! Disease, disease, diseasel!" This went on until the diesel's eyes nearly popped out. "Stop!" he begged. "You're making me giddy!" The two engines gazed at him. "Are there two of you?" "Yes, we're twins." "I might have known it," sighed Diesel. Just then, Edward bustled in. "Bill and Ben, why are you playing here?" "We're not playing," protested Bill. "We're rescuing our trucks," squeaked Ben. "Even you don't take our trucks without asking, but this Diseasel did." "There's no cause to be rude," said Edward severely. "This engine is a Metropolitan Vickers, diesel electric type 2. The twins were abashed. "We're sorry, Mr. "Never mind," the diesel smiled. "Call me BoCo. I'm sorry I didn't understand about the trucks." "That's all right then. Now off you go, Bill and Ben. Fetch BoCo's trucks and then you can take this lot." And the twins scampered away. "There's no real harm in them," said Edward to BoCo, "but they can be maddening at times." BoCo chuckled. "Maddening," he said, "is the word."